Between January and May 2026, I've been noticing a lot of news articles of criminal organization from East Asia involving scam compound and also involved in money laundering using gold trading. So I think this the thing about the gold trading is that I think FATF has red flag list that has published it in 2015. Some of them are very useful, others are not so much, but I think it's because that we assume that these money launderers are working on their own, but in the context of Chinese organized crime, it's always not the case. Always they're using their own people, not so much as some random gold trading companies. So some of the, many of the red flags that I posted are not really applicable. So what I will say though, there are a handful of indicators that are actually helpful when analyzing financial crime by Chinese money laundering group, so such as changes to business names of entity registered to deal in gold. That seems to be common in Thailand, where Yakuza organization, Japanese organized crime, and that are involved in money laundering activity and scam compound in partnership with Chinese organized crime. And there are also the unusual deposit, use of cash, negotiable instruments, travel check, cashier's checks, and money orders. In the U.S., in the human trafficking market, the money order is pretty popular among the Chinese criminals. Not so much as cashier's check. They do use some, but not as much as money order, at least based on my study in 2019. And there are also an indicator of the numerous sole proprietorship or private limited company, like lots of LLC tied to one person. That is a helpful indicator to identifying these organizations.